ionization smoke detector get immediately actuated during fire. This detects small amount of radioactive material between two electrically charged plates, which ionizes the air and that causes current to flow between the plates. When smoke enters the chamber, it disconnects the flow of ions, thus reducing the flow of current and activating it, and the alarm sends to the respective fire alarm panel.